Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to install FoodPanda on a device. Now if you want to order something but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Now if you want to install the FoodPanda app but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. But first make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi or any kind of data on a device. So after that you may simply open App Store on a device. So after opening App Store, you will see various options on the bottom taskbar. So you may click on the search, which is at the very bottom right of the screen. So after that you may simply search FoodPanda. So click on the option of FoodPanda, and here you will see the option like FoodPanda, Grab, and also you may click on the option of Get here, or you may simply open this app and click on it. So for the first time it asks you to verify yourself, so you may click on the option of install, or if it asks you to double click on the power button, you may click on it and it verifies yourself and the download process will start. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video. That's how you can install the FoodPanda food and groceries app on your device. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.